today I wanted to make a little video on my Hilux. My Hilux is a 1981 second gen, I think, but I don't know, it doesn't really matter. It was my granddad's car and he gave it to me with no engine in it or anything, so I decided I'd fix it up and put a new engine in. So I put an 18RG, which I got out of a Celica, bolted it in, made my own engine mounts and tuned it, and got an exhaust made, put an LSD, completely rebuilt the interior because the floors were completely rusted through, so I welded in new floor pans and everything. I've had this car for a long time, probably 5 years now. I got it when I was first out of high school, just for something to do, and I don't know, it's a fun little car, it's very loud. I'll take you for a drive another time, but yeah, I just wanted to make a little video, show you my truck, because I've been meaning to do it for years now and I just haven't gotten around to it. So anyway, this is my Hilux. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Yeah.